passive income? Shoot, I know I do.
Peace and love, I wish you peace and love.
What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to the Soul Trip. It's your girl Kayla, and if you are new here, welcome. I hope you decide to stay and be a part of my soul tribe. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for rocking with me. But anyways, as the title shows, we are talking all about how and why to build your own ebook so you can start generating some passive income today. So I have my laptop in front of me because we will be going to the screen for some of this. I also have my notes, but let's jump into this video. So why should you even create an ebook? Like, you're not an author, you're not desiring to be an author. Why have an ebook? So creating an ebook and publishing an ebook is so much easier than creating a physical copy hard book. Like, honestly, it's not as difficult in this day and age to publish your own book, but in the meantime, you can literally create an ebook and start selling it today. Like, you can create an ebook in just one day, and you can create an ebook on any topic of your choice. So let's say, for example, you are into skincare. You can create an ebook on how to properly wash your face, your favorite skincare products to use and their different uses. Like, you can create an ebook on anything, any topic. You can create an e-journal. Whatever topic you want to create an ebook on, you can. There are 7 billion people in this world. Somebody will be interested in what you put out in an ebook. So another good reason on why you should have an ebook and you should put one out there is that your ebook will outlive you. Literally, everything that we do on the internet never goes away. If you create an ebook, it's going to continue to be out there as long as the internet is around. And believe me, the internet is not going anywhere. And then my third favorite reason on why you should have an ebook, y'all, that is such an easy way to generate some passive income. Passive income means that is money that you are making while not having to exchange your time for that money. So you only do the work once. You only have to put in whatever, an hour, 2 hours, an overnight, however long it takes you to make this book. You only have to put in that initial time up front. And then as long as you're selling this ebook, you can continue to make money off of it. Who doesn't want some passive income? Shoot, I know I do. So create you an ebook. And if you're not interested in making money on your ebook, you can create a free ebook for your audience. And free ebooks are a great way to connect with your audience, as well as build an email list based on your audience. So you can collect emails in exchange for giving out this free ebook. So right now I have an ebook that is online for sale. I have my ebook on a landing page, and I do a little promoting. I don't promote it that much, but I am still shocked whenever somebody will come across my ebook and decide to purchase it, and I get a notification that I've just been paid for that ebook. I also do have that ebook on Amazon Kindle as well. I am also currently working on an ebook. I'm ghostwriting, which, don't ask me how I got into it. So now that we've covered the why, let's get into the how, because y'all, it's so easy. So I'm ready to show you how easy it really is. So what I like to do, I like to use Google Docs for writing out my ebooks. Obviously, you can use Microsoft Word, or you can use whatever writing platform you like to use. I stick to the popular ones. Google Docs is just easy for me, and it doesn't take up storage on my computer like Microsoft Word does. And I'm going to share with you all my favorite hack: voice typing. Let's do an example. Let's say I am a fashionista and I'm a stylist, and I want to create an ebook on how to become a celebrity stylist. Hi, this is Kayla, and this is my ebook on how to become a celebrity stylist. Period. Becoming a celebrity stylist is simple. Period. You have to be able to network, blah, blah, blah. Like, it's so simple. Like, you literally can open up your computer, open up Google Docs, and just speak on what you want to have in your ebook, and later go back and organize it. Y'all, that's simple. And that's just if you don't feel like typing. You also can just type it out. Like literally, this is something that can create passive income for you. So just go ahead and put in just a few hours and type out this ebook. So once you have your ebook all written out, obviously you do want to proofread it. You want to make sure there are no grammatical errors. You can do spell check. You can have a colleague or a friend proofread. You can Google and find sites that will proofread your work for you. And then this is my favorite part, and this is the designing of the ebook, making it beautiful, making it pretty. And as you all probably know, Canva is what I use to make this ebook pretty. And then if you feel like you're just not good at that part at all, you can always use Fiverr.com to find someone to put your ebook together for you. So if you go to Canva, we're going to search ebook, and what do you see? Ebook covers. There are plenty of ebook covers that will pop up. You can also have a friend or someone who knows how to draw to make you an illustration. It's just on you. And depending on what your ebook is about, obviously different templates will work better for you. So let's stick with the celebrity stylist theme, and I'm going to try to find a really good background ebook theme that we can use. So I like this one. And what you would do, obviously you would edit whatever part that you needed to edit. Let's just pretend that this image on here is an image of a celebrity that we have styled before, so we're going to use that. Again, you don't have to put images. You can make this whatever you want. For example, this book is about real estate. So what do you see as the background? Real estate. This book is about self-love, and what do you see? A beautiful image of women. You see self-love written on here. I mean, you know, you've seen book covers before, so you want to make it enticing. You want to make it relevant to the book's topic. So let's just go in and we'll put Kayla here, how to become a celebrity stylist. Can make this bigger, and this is where you just come in and play around with things. You're doing all the design for your ebook. Maybe we'll add that to the next line so we can really spread this out and make it bigger. All right, and obviously this is just for the sake of this video. This is nothing glamorous or pretty. I'm just trying to show you all an example. And when you're done with that page, what you would do to go to the next page is what you see here. Add a page. And that's pretty much all it is to it. You're going to add a page. If you wanted to keep, I guess, the same color as, you know, the color that's going on here in the cover page, you could, let's see if we could find out what that color is. So it looks like these are some of the colors that were used. Let's go ahead, and for the second page, bam. You see how that matches? You see how it flows? Very simple. Add a page. And you can keep adding a page. So once you add a page, what you're going to do, you're going to go to add text, and you can add a heading. Let's say this is the chapter. And you know, you can make it however you want. So once you're all completed with the design of things, you will then want to save this document as a PDF. And from there, you are good to go. That's your ebook. So now all you have to do is just go ahead and put it on your landing page, put it on your website, maybe just send it out by email to people. Whatever you want to do, that's your decision. You can also, again, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, you can publish this book, very simple to do, on Amazon Kindle. Amazon, of course, will take a percentage of every sale. I think it's like 80 cents for every sale. It's not that much, but just keep that in mind. They will get their cut as well. But it is completely free to publish your ebook on Amazon Kindle. They just will get their percentage on the back end. So one more thing that I wanted to share too, if you wanted to get a little bit more fancy with your ebook, I wanted to share this website called flippingbooks.com. I personally have not used this website myself, but I've heard a lot of great things about it. And what this platform does is, if you want it to be extra fancy, maybe you don't just want a regular PDF that's people are going to have to read just one page at a time like this. Maybe you want it to look and resemble more of a book. This is flippingbook.com, and it turns your PDF into a flipping page book. So if someone is reading it on their computer or tablet, it'll be like they're reading an actual book because the pages will be able to flip virtually. So that's something that's really cool to keep in mind if you want to go that route. You can check out the site. And none of the platforms that I'm sharing, Canva, Flipping Book, none of these sites are sponsoring me or this video. This is just something that I want to share because I really want to help you all out. So there you have it. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you were able to learn something new. And I do hope that you decide to go out and create an ebook for yourself. Also share this video with someone who you know who could really use it. Thank you all so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. That really helps my channel, y'all. I'm so close. Like I'm like this close to getting paid off YouTube, and I'm so ready for it because I put in the work. Anyways, thank you for supporting the channel. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace and love.